This Artisan Realtors property video is presented by Tony Papalia. This mid-century Bedford limestone ranch is exclusively for the buyer who wants everything, but refuses to pay a fortune. Stunning Community Heights/Irvington location. Classic mid-century open floor plan. 3 large bedrooms. Hardwood floors. Updated windows throughout. Eat-in kitchen features built-in dining booth that is nostalgic and convenient. Full basement/large gathering recreation area. Fully fenced backyard is a pet lover's dream. Oversized 2-car garage. Super quiet no outlet street. And more. Enjoy your tour. For more information, review the details below.